Hello, hello. Thank you for joining us again for Module 17. This is Lesson 4. Me alegro que nos hayan acompañado otra vez en Módulo 17. Esta es lección número 4. Please get your books ready. Lesson 4. Say it with me. Today I can. Make a measuring tool with units that are the same size. Let's find out what that's all about. Open to this page in your book, Lesson 4. Let's spark your learning. How do you show units on the rectangle to measure the objects? Tenemos que medir el lápice. Hay que dibujar cosas para medirlo. Let's try using some cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 units long is the length of the pencil. Pause if you need more time. Let's build your understanding. Susie wants to measure the length of a pencil. She uses grid paper to make a measuring tool. You probably don't have grid paper at home. I know I don't. So instead, let's draw to show how Susie can measure a pencil. I've added that pencil again. Can you draw that pencil one more time? Now this pencil does look a little longer, so I'm going to draw some cubes to help me measure the pencil again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This time my pencil is 9 units long. How long was it on your side? Can you answer your question at the bottom? Okay, we're going to step it out. On this page, they are asking us to do some things that we may not have the right tools for at home. I will read the page for you, but if you do not have the right tools, you don't have to do it. En esta página están pidiendo que los niños hacen algo que posiblemente no tienen los útiles correctos en casa. Si lo tienen, yo se lo voy a leer en inglés. Si no lo tienen, pueden dejar esta página. Number 1, Arthur measures a crayon and a color pencil. A, measure a crayon using your measuring tool. What are you going to use to measure and how many units long is it? B, measure a color pencil using the same measuring tool. About how many units long did you get? C, write the number of units. Use the greater than symbol to compare. Which object is longer? D, which object is longer? Now, like I said, if you can do this at home, super. If you can't, you can skip the page. Si no lo pueden hacer en casa, podemos dejar esta página. All right, let's check your understanding. Number 1, Mia writes with a pen. Use the measuring tool you made to measure the length of a pen. About how many units long is it? If you didn't use a measuring tool, you can find anything at home to help you measure the length of this pen in your book. Mina escriba con un bolígrafo. Usa la herramienta que hiciste para medir la longitud del bolígrafo. Aproximadamente, ¿cuántas unidades tiene de largo? Si no hicieron ninguna herramienta, pueden usar cualquier cosa para medir el largo que tiene la pluma. Okay, on this page you're going to work on your own. Number 2, let's use tools. How long is the ribbon? Use a tool to measure. ¿Cuál es la longitud de la cinta? Usa una herramienta para medir. About how many units long? Aproximadamente cuántas unidades de largo? Number 3, use the measuring tool you made to measure two objects of different lengths. Write the number of units. Use the greater than symbol to compare. Which object is longer? Usa la herramienta para medir dos objetos de longitudes diferentes. Escribe el número de unidades. Usa el signo para comparar. ¿Qué objeto es más largo? Now don't forget that the way we use that symbol, the alligator's mouth should be facing the bigger number. Number 4, use the measuring tool that you made or any measuring tool you have at home. Draw a line that is 5 units long. Usa una herramienta para medir. Dibujo una línea que mide 5 unidades de largos. Now this is not a big space, so maybe you want to try using paper clips, erasers, beans, stickers, lots of things that you can use it to measure at home. Okay, boys and girls, now we are going to do a quick review of everything that we have learned in Module 17. Ahora vamos a revisar lo que hemos aprendido en Módulo 17. Okay, boys and girls, let's do this review together. Hoy vamos a trabajar junto en esta revisar. Let's start out with vocabulary. Number 1, let's draw lines to match each word to the correct pencil length. We're looking for the pencil that is longest and the one that is shortest. Dibuja líneas para emparejar cada palabra con la longitud correcta del lápiz. ¿Cuál es el más largo y cuál es el más corto? Pausa video para tratar de hacerlo solo. Try to do it by yourself. Pause the video until you have an answer. Here is the pencil that is shortest. This is the pencil that is longest. Super. Let's go on to number 2. We are going to draw cubes to measure and then fill in the correct answer. Vamos a dibujar para medir el largo que tiene el camión de juguete. What is the length of the toy truck? Let's start out by drawing some cubes. I think it's going to be about 4. Let me see if I'm right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cubes. That's how many units long the toy truck is. Pause the video if you need more time. Pausa si necesita más tiempo. Number 3. How long is the piece of ribbon? ¿Cuál es la longitud de trozo de cinta? Can you draw the cubes on your end? Dibújalo en tu lado para ver cuántos son. You should get about 6. Pause the video if you need more time. Okay, boys and girls, let's go on to number 4. Número 4. The paintbrush is shorter than a shoelace. The shoelace is shorter than the shelf. Draw to show the lengths of the objects. I want you to do this one all by yourself. Un pincel es más corto que un cordón de zapatos. El cordón de zapato es más corto que el estante. Haz un dibujo para mostrar las longitudes de los objetos. Circle the one that is the longest in length. Encierra en un círculo el cual es más largo. Los niños van a trabajar independiente. The one that is longest, keep in mind, it should be the shelf. Pause the video if you need more time. Pausa si necesitan tiempo. Number 5. Mario has 3 color pencils. Draw a circle around the shortest color pencil. Draw a rectangle around the longest color pencil. Mario tiene 3 lápices de colores. Dibuja un círculo alrededor del lápiz de color más corto. Dibuja un rectángulo alrededor del lápiz de color más largo. Which one is the shortest? Let's draw a circle. It's green. That's my favorite color. Yay! Which one do we think is longest? Could it be the blue? No, it's the purple. Longest is the one where we're going to draw a rectangle. Pause the video if you need more time. And last but not least, number 6. Let's use a measuring tool. How long is the toy alligator? Usa un herramienta para medir. ¿Cuál es la longitud del cocodrilo de juguete? I'm going to draw cubes. Can you draw cubes along with me at home? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is about 6 units long. Good job, boys and girls. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. That was Module 17. We did it! That was super duper awesome. Soon you will be getting from us Module 18, so stay tuned for the next video. Muchísimas gracias por habernos acompañado en este módulo. Eso fue Módulo 17. Lo hicimos, estamos muy contentos. Pronto vamos a revisar Módulo 18. Asegúrese de mirar para esos videos. Muchísimas gracias.